I'm Bowen Christopher, the head of the disciplinary master, and here with my colleagues. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Sharon, I'm a member.
I'm Ruth, examination officer.
I'm Deborah Childet, student representative.
And
Joy Kwama, the student.
the student who found cheating in examination.
Yeah.
Okay. The goal and the purpose of this meeting is to hear the case of our student who decided to cheat during examination, and we need to ensure fairness and disciplinary action to be done and give her an opportunity to explain on her side. Madam, did you find her cheating in examination?
Thank you, Chair, for this question. I happen to find the student restless and she was acting suspicious. So I had to approach her, and as I flipped her papers, I found a Makenya, and a Makenya dropped the exam. So I picked that Makenya. Yes, so I found her with a Makenya.
Do you agree that what Madam is saying is true or false?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
She found me with a piece of paper. So I came in class late when the exam had already started. Then I didn't know I come with a piece of paper. I thought it was my exam card. So it was in my pocket, remove it, and put it on the top of the desk. So I wanted to show it off when they asked for my exam card.
Meaning that you arrived late after the examination. Yeah.
It was already started.
It was already started. Madam, did you tell them the rules and regulations to be noted before the start of the examination?
Before the start of the examination, there's normally a meeting whereby we tell them the rules, whatever they are expected to conduct themselves during the exams. And not only had I found her with a paper, it was not only a Makenya, it was a paper of the previous exam.
Kindly.
And by the look of things,
can you give me the evidence
the
that
answers
our
were
students
aligning with the questions that were being set.
Okay.
Meaning she had prepared.
My
very,
student,
very well.
this shows that you had already prepared yourself
Since she knew whatever would be
for
said.
copying the examination.
Because the paper was doing the revision before the paper, so I decided to do my personal revision. I didn't know it will be set exactly the way it was.
We must give you a serious disciplinary action. Our fellow head of student, can you look at how
Yes,
your
I
fellow
found the
colleagues
paper,
did during examination?
and I know that this school have rules and regulations.
Yes.
We all know that, and we must follow. So, Mwalimu, before you expel her, let's just forgive her because she has presented herself in the panel, and we can have another choice before we expel her.
I, as the examination officer, yes, I'm going to, no, before we even come to that conclusion, as the chair, what are you going to do for her as an discipline?
Either we set another examination, the tough one, for her, or we cancel her examination. We gave her a 0 mark since she cheated on examination.
But I've told you, Mwalimu, we forgive her because she presented herself in the panel. I know that many students have been found with the same case, but they have not they are not coming. So please forgive her because she presented herself.
Okay, in a way of forgiving her, we will give her another we will set another exam, then we give her to repeat instead of sending her home or giving her 1,000 academic days.
Yes, even that one can work. Because I know even as we are parents, somehow your child may be found in that case, but please forgive her.
Okay, my student, prepare yourself for the coming examination, which will be more tougher. So you'll face more challenges when doing the paper.
On top of that, you'll be given less hours to do that paper.
Are we okay with that?
Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, if we will be doing another exam maybe next semester, if we find anybody cheating, we will give him or her 1,000 academic days without empathy. Members, what can you say about that?
You're okay with that?
Okay, Milad. Thank you for your ample time we have shared with you. Then go and prepare yourself for the coming examination. Thank you.